Hello, good morning to all. I am Atulya Singh of class 9B from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Kharagpur, and today in this video I am going to introduce my experiment based on the sustainable development goals. As this is an era of green revolution, I am concerning on many global warming concepts, and after the many experiments on my green plants, I saw the correction potential in plant as well as electrical impulses from the soil. This helps us to generate a free electricity as a plant is a natural solar panel. So let us see my experiment based on this sustainable development on which I am working from 2 months, almost 2 months, and in this gap I have exams also, so that's why I can't count the 1 month extra for my preparation, as because 2 months is very important. So this is my project on Brophelium plant that is sown in my garden in abundant amount. Now I'm using the small pit here and rain meter sensor as well as humidity and temperature and pH soil sensors, and the pH soil sensor is connected to the buzzer to alert that pH is high or low. Now let us, here is a working system based on the soil sensor that I made from my own, and this is already indicating that the system is working, whole system is working actually. Now I connect the sensors of soil negative GND to the GND pin of the Arduino, and positive to the A0 analog 0 pin to the Arduino. As you can see the whole setup, and this is the solar panel for releasing energy to give the sensors. This is my small bit of code that I'm working from 25 days, and this code is very easy. You can as well find from the example mode, as you can see here. Yeah, this code. So basically I am reading the analog voltage input from the soils and as well as from plant alternatively. Now let us first see how does I do this. So first off, I am going to tools and open the serial plotter. Now in serial plotter you can easily see the graph that is demonstrating here. Now when I open this graph here like this, you can see the sudden action potential on the plant. This is sudden action potential, and this is very interesting for mine. And when I put the pins out of the plant, the sudden action potentials once again, but this is not action potential, this is a demolestration or depolarization of the pins. Now when I put the soil sensor here, soil sensor out from the board, this is GND pin, so you can see the action potential. Basically not it is action potential, it is a current impulses that is produces in the soil by the microbes. Now let us first take it out all, and I am going to connect the pin from the plant. Now I am connect the A0 pin of Arduino from the plant stem using the needle that is a perfectly superconductor, and this is a jumper wire. Action potential from plant. So when I put the ground, the plant becomes 0, and when I take out it, certain action potential, you can see here. And when touch the stems, then also here. Thanks to ATL that give me the many requirements that I need for the making this project, and it is very good conditioning working, as you can see here, and it is work as a sustainable development in a green revolution. So actually the plant has this action potential. They have no neurons. They have a chemical compositions and gradients in them, as sugar concentration, potassium concentration, calcium concentration, etc. That they produce free electrons, and we receive that free electrons in the monitor. Actually these electrons are very less. We actually amplify it to give us 4 volts actually. So as we cannot generate electricity directly because it is static electricity, it cannot be glow the LED. When I amplified it and then convert it to the DC current, then it can be used as electricity use. So thank you for this beautiful project.